What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday. It is July 25th, and this is gonna be day number 4 of the vlogs. I know the past 3 videos have been pretty short. I'm gonna try to get a little bit more content for you guys today, but like I said, it's currently Saturday and it is currently 98 degrees here in Nebraska, and it is hot. Very hot. So right now we're headed to the grocery store. We're gonna pick up some groceries, and yeah, let's go. All right, y'all, we just got out of Walmart, and man, every time I come here I just despise going inside of Walmart. But we got, I don't know if you guys can see this, we got 3 bags of groceries. Cost me 20 bucks. It's just crazy. The cost of stuff is getting out of control, man. And now gas is back up to like $4 a gallon. It's just nuts. Just nuts. You got to make like $100,000 a year to be able to afford stuff, man. But alright, we're gonna cruise on back home, and then I think maybe later tonight we might go to our local American Legion. I think they're having like a live band. Probably have a couple beers and just hang out and chill and enjoy some music, and yeah, we'll see where the night takes us. Alright, everybody, today is Sunday. It's the next day. Yesterday we didn't end up going to our local Legion. It was just way too hot. It was like, I think the feels like temperature was like 102, 103, so it was just way too hot to be sitting outside listening to a concert and drinking beer. But to finish up this video, we're gonna do a quick garage tour. So hopefully you guys will like this. I know I made a video a while back when I first got my toolbox back there, and we kind of set it up and put some tools in it, but it's a little bit more organized now, I'd like to think. But yeah, let's go for a little garage tour. So this is the garage. It's pretty deep. I mean, I can fit about 1.5 vehicles in here. But over here we got our ramps. Use those to do oil change and stuff. Got a random ladder, and then we got shelf set up here with like, I got my oil change supplies. I got a tackle box, weed eater up there, just random parts and stuff from off my Harleys back in the day. Then we got like Traeger pellets, the shop vac, and then my toolbox. We got a TV above the toolbox, and yeah, then we got like a little random shelf back there with some random stuff on it. And then on this side we got our fertilizer spreader hanging on the wall, and then we got our bikes down here that don't get ridden too often but probably should. So yeah, that's pretty much everything in the garage. Then I'll go ahead and go through the toolbox, show you guys all my tools and everything and how I got them organized. Usually, you know, I'm in here working on my CRV. I've done a lot of stuff to that thing, you know, from basic maintenance, you know, brakes, oil changes, to changing CV axles and front end suspension and all that. So wheel bearings. I mean, we've done a lot of work to that car. So also, if you guys are interested or know anybody in the Nebraska, Omaha area that wants a CRV, I'm trying to trade for like a Honda Civic or Honda Accord or something like that, so that we can get some better gas mileage. So yeah, let's get on to the toolbox. And here's the CRV listing if anybody's interested. So in the description I've got basically everything that I've done to the car, and I can swipe through the pictures for you guys real quick. But it's pretty clean. It's got a touchscreen, Apple CarPlay radio that I put in it. It drives super nice and everything. So yeah, if you guys know anybody that's interested, or if you're interested, let me know that down in the comments and I can get in contact with you. Alright, hopefully you guys can see this alright, but it's my US General Series 3 gray box. We'll just go through the drawers. So in the top drawer, this is where I got all my sockets and everything. Got them all on trays. They're not very organized right now. It kind of fell apart when the box got moved, but I got all my metric and standard sockets all separated, and then got like ratchets and screwdrivers, torque wrench, magnetic tray for bolts and stuff. Yeah, just random junk in there. And then down in the second drawer, we got wrenches on trays, and then we got like a big adapter set, and then we got a random Hyper Tough socket set that I used to keep in my Harley. Then we got like some random Allen wrenches and stuff, some random screws, and then a serpentine belt kit. This thing actually did come in handy. We'll go down to the next drawer here. Just some random miscellaneous stuff. We got an ABS sensor that needs to go on the CRV, and then just some random bolts and stuff from like a TV mount, and then some string for the weed eater. And then we got the old pink set. My wife got this, but the old pink set's got just junk thrown in there. It's all disorganized. We got some random cocking guns and stuff. And down here we got ankle grinder. It's barely been used. I bought that thing, and then this drawer is pretty empty. And this bottom one, we got a small socket set that also used to be on my Harley, and then we got a brand new Craftsman set that has really come in handy. I've taken a lot of those sockets and put them up in the top drawer to organize all that stuff. We'll go on this side of the box. We got some random like hammers, oil filter wrench, C-clamp in there. Go down one. We got some wall mounts, anchors and stuff like that. Some plastic fasteners. The ones on the CRV break all the time, so that's always handy to have. Then we got the headlight restore kit. Definitely recommend this. The headlights on the CRV were terrible, and this took me probably like 30 minutes from start to finish, and I can see so much better now. Go down another one. We got a bag. This bag is empty from my Milwaukee fuel, and then we got this for my AC when I was trying to recharge it. And then some oil filters. I usually have more of these. I need to order some more off of eBay, but I ordered these on eBay. Genuine Honda filters comes with the new O-ring for your drain plug. These are really nice. It's like 20 or 25 bucks for 4 of them, I think. And that was a good deal. So definitely recommend, if you guys have a Honda, go on eBay and buy your filters. Then we just got some random lug nuts in there, just for fun, I guess. And in the bottom drawer, we got all of our power tools. So when I first started, I had DeWalt stuff, and now I've switched over to all Milwaukee. So I've got ratchet wrench, this little electric ratchet comes in handy a lot. And I've got this little impact, and then this light is super nice. I'll turn it on to show you guys, but it's super bright, and then it's magnetic on the back. But yeah, that's all the power tools and everything. So that's pretty much everything in the box. But yeah, like I said, I just wanted to do a little garage tour for you guys. Hopefully make this video a little bit interesting. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching like always. Make sure if you guys like this content, give us a like on the video, and subscribe to the channel to be part of the fam. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Let me show you how to move, let me show you how to get that bad. You ain't never coming last. Fuck your man, you know this gon' make him mad. Break that back, then we make a film on cam. Shake that ass. show them that you bad.